Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can increase your computer's processor speed. This helps those with issue of having their processor going, so I'm going to teach you how you can fix it. It's simple, simply start by opening your control panel. Then go on Power Options. Then click on choosing what your closing lids does, then click on changing advanced power settings, then slide down on processor power management. So first go on minimum processor state, then go on battery, then reduce to 0, and do them to plugged in. Then slide on maximum processor state, and then make sure you increase it to 100%. And from now your computer's processor will start going fast. So simply apply it. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.